This is how to reset your service light on your BMW 3 Series. This is an F34, a 320 GT, but it's the same on all the 3 Series. Now, as long as you've got the push button start, as you can see, what we're going to do, pop the ignition on. As you can see, service due since October 21. So normally, we would now use the button down here in the bottom left-hand corner, press and hold. This will bring up a sub-menu of service resettable things. So as you can see, brake fluid, reset not possible because it's 2 years away. Same again with the oil, because we've reset the oil. Vehicle check, not possible. Front brake pads, rear brake pads, reset possible. We've not done them, so we're not doing them, but scroll through. Vehicle check, reset not possible, 0424, which is 2 years away. So that's all green, but why is it coming up with the service reset? For that, we have to go into the iDrive. So we're going to use the iDrive dial, the menu button, and going into the screen. So from your main menu there, we're going to scroll to the right to My Vehicle, then press the button down. It takes us into the sub-menu. So from there, vehicle status. So we're going to scroll clockwise to vehicle status, press down. Straight away, it's come up with check tyre pressures. We don't want to do that, so we're going to press left. And that takes us into the sub menu. Going clockwise, we're going to go down to service requirements. Press it down, and there you go. You can see we've got a red triangle. So vehicle inspection is red triangle on here. Press down again, press OK. And there you can see, there's where we get the October 21 from. Press it again. And now we can reset that to 4. We'll do it to 23. Press OK. Now the vehicle inspection thing's gone green at the top. We then press left a few times to get out of that. That vehicle inspection's now gone green. Back to the regular menu. So now, when we reset the ignition, service due in 16,000 miles or this time next year. That is how to reset your service light if the dash button won't let you reset it. That's all there is to it. All there is to it. That's what there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.